Now to draw a car, I always start with the wheel. And that means drawing a circle, which is not the easiest thing to do. That's not too bad. And then even harder, we need to draw a circle inside, like that. Oh, and then we can shade it all in. Now I'm going to put a circle in the middle, and I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts holding the wheel on. And then I'm drawing these like little slices of pie, these little triangles, and then I'm going to shade them in a little bit at the top so it looks like you're looking through to the disc brake underneath, and then we can put little lines in between them like that. So that's not too bad for a tyre or a wheel. Now here's a tip. Get a piece of paper and mark the width of the tyre like that. And we'll do 1, draw a very tiny little dot, 2, and then about sort of just over half like that. And then we're going to need to draw another one that's going to be around about the same size. Well, actually, we want them to be exactly the same size. So you can draw it. You can draw around a coin or something circular, jam jar lid, something like that, to make it nice and round and make them all equal as well. Now I'm going to draw a circle in the middle, and I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just like we did before. And then these little pies. And don't forget, when you're watching these and drawing along, if I go too fast, if you get muddled and lost behind and everything, don't forget you can always stop the video and come back again. And you can always rewind it as well to the bit where you got lost. It's not a problem. You're allowed to do that. Now we want to draw the wheel arch. So that's going to go all the way around like that. And all the way around like that. And then we're going to do an extra one that's going to go all the way around. I think most cars have these sort of black wheel arch trims now, don't they? And that's going to come down to about there. And then we'll go forward a little bit and sort of down like that. And then this is going to want to come across, down a little bit and across. And then this is going to go back and down, up with a little bit like that. Now I'm going to draw a very gentle line around it as well. So this is all kind of part of the moulding on the wheel arch. And then you'll also have a bit of kind of a moulding across there. Let's shade in the actual wheel arch so that we don't get confused which part is which. Now you're going to have a little bit of the kind of underskirt under there as well, which you can do in a grey later. Now the front part is sort of going to come up at a bit of an angle like that, and we want to get the kind of the height here. It's going to be about there. So let's come up a little bit and across. And we need to work out where the doors are going to go. So this door is going to be right up against this moulding on the wheel arch like that, and that's going to go straight up. And then the back door is going to be pretty much over the back wheel. And then in the middle, you've got the middle between the two doors. Now what we're going to do is we will start just a little bit above there, and we will go across. And then when we get to the back door, we're going to sweep that up a little bit like that. And then we're going to take a bit of an angle like that, up, and then sweep down. So this will sort of come to about there. We're going to want a little bit of triangle there. That's going to be the wing mirror. We're going to want to have the door pillar, and there's a door pillar there as well. So let's colour that in. And then all this sort of glass has a bit of trim around it, which makes it look quite dark as well. So we can make that a bit thicker, like that. Then we want the bonnet coming up like that, and up. And straight across, like that. Then we're going to have this kind of S shape here, so that will just come round the corner a bit like an S. There. This is going to be the back window, so we can maybe make that sort of dark down there. And we're going to have the lights in there. We're going to have our front light in there and a kind of air intake kind of thingy going on there. And then we want to have our handles, door handles. We're probably going to get a little line across like that. And I think we're going to have a little sort of line across there too. And then just to finish it off, we're going to want to make this look like glass. So we put these little sort of hash lines in across there like that. All you need to do now is colour it in and click down there so that you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, so you can come back and draw lots more stuff real easy with me. Thanks for watching. Bye.